What's up, guys? Now this is the first pair of sneakers I've had on this channel from this brand, Salvatore Ferragamo. Salvatore Ferragamo, however you want to say it. I know my pronunciation isn't on point. From Florence, Italy. Pretty fly sneakers, pretty fly shoes they make. Let me just pull one out here for you. I want it to be a surprise, because they're very unconventional. This is an all canvas upper with a rubber lower. It says Ferragamo, made in Italy. Super interesting sneakers. You can see the interior leather right here. Pretty awesome quality. I'm gonna throw these on for you in a second. They did come with a box, but they don't have the box anymore. So I'm just gonna make a quick video on these. Throw these on. You can tell me what you think of them in the comment section below. You know, sometimes when you're shopping at the outlets, things get a little crazy. Things get a little out of hand. And you feel like you gotta just show people the way. And so you pick up a pair of shoes like this. Gorgeous logo, leather interior. Pretty interesting. Let's throw these on. I do have a pair of black socks on. I know, very unconventional. Most of the time you probably rock these with no socks, or I don't know, however you want to rock them, but not today. Today we're going to rock them with some black socks. As you can see, they're pretty fly, loafing around sneakers. They're kind of flashy. They do show people the way though. I must admit, that's true about them. On foot, they're pretty fly. There's not much to say. I mean, they're Ferragamo. They come with a shoe bag. They're made in Italy. Italian leather. Pretty solid stuff. They look pretty crazy on foot. Let's just grab a thumbnail real quick for this crazy little video here. Make it perfect. Showing people the way with some Ferragamo. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Goodbye.